Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is Nikki here. So today I have a really exciting video. This is going to be a DIY. It's going to be really quick, so I don't want to really ramble on. But the idea came from this package that I received today. Yes, I received it this afternoon and I need to do a video really quick. It was from Iconic London. This is the Prep Set Glow Water Mist. So beautiful. Look at the packaging. Everything that Iconic London sent me is so beautiful. These are the beautiful water mists that they've got right here in Glow and Original, and I love them. I feel like they're very Instagrammy, like because of how they kind of act, what they look like. They're very Instagrammy. They've got glitter, they've got shine, they've got bling. Do you know what I mean? It's got all of it. But I researched it up and I saw that these were £18.50 and I was like, listen, £18.50, it's a lot of money and I could probably make this at home with the things that I've already got at home. So I wanted to do a quick DIY and make my own water mist for you guys. Okay, so listen guys, I'm not being funny. Iconic London have one of these glow mists. I know that the Body Shop have like a body shimmer oil. I know that Fenty's just come out with something that is similar to this. And MAC have come out with like gold light, pink light, silver light, all their strobe creams in a mist. And I just thought, you know what, these are going to be so hot for the summer. I created my own. I created my own bad boy with just the products that I had at home. I'm pretty sure you guys are going to be able to create it too. They are very similar, I'm not going to lie. They are very similar. And I'm going to use it on my body as opposed to prep with it because it's got a lot of shimmer in it. I feel a lot of that glitter flecks. So using my bottle, I'm just going to give myself a quick mist all over just to give me a little bit of a shimmy, and then we'll get into the tutorial. Okay, so we are just going to start off with our bottle of Fix Plus or whatever priming spray you want to use, then a spoolie, essential oils, you want pigments as well, and these are all the pigments that I'm going to be using. What you want to do is you want to take the nozzle off your Fix Plus just to get it open, and then I'm going to pop a couple of drops of essential oils in here. This is just going to give us a little bit of hydration to our dewy mist. Then we're going to start off with 1 scoop of tan pigment, and I'm going to pop that in, a scoop of melon, pop that in, a scoop of lithe, pop that one in, and then I'm also going to use my Diamond Glow Powder by Artist Couture and pop that in, and that's it. You just want to give it a quick shake and you have created your own dewy body mist. Here you can see the difference in my arm. This is just, the top is the dewy mist and the bottom is just plain. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this quick tutorial. Okay guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you really liked this quick DIY. Let me know if you did down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you want more DIYs as well, because I have quite a few in mind. Make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is down below. Stalk me on my social handles, which will also be down below. And I love you guys so very much. I will see you in my next video. Mwah.